Okay, so the final algorithm and the end of today's session, what we are going to discuss is Google's EMD algorithm, exact match domain. The perfect algorithm that impacted lots of businesses, listings, and ranking. Lots of people, when they want to register their domain name, they want to register the domain name by combining the keywords that is used by the user. Okay, lots of people they register their domain name with the keywords inside. Keywords inside. Okay, thinking. Okay, so thinking that these keywords will give boost in positions in the SERP. SERP. There are several websites which were created, okay, by adding the keyword. For example, just taking it as an example, okay, when somebody is offering a service, let me say from Chennai to Tirupati travel package or tour package, okay, Chennai to Tirupati tour package, when somebody is offering, they can register their brand name, but instead, what will they do? They will register something like, okay, Chennai to Tirupati tour package.com, thinking that whenever somebody is searching about Chennai to Tirupati tour package.com, their website will come at the top. True. Initially, when Google launched or Google became very famous, when people started using it in the baby stages of Google, the infant stages of Google, yes, Google did consider the keywords in the domain name for ranking. Yes, Google did it. But later, what lots of people did? They started blocking a domain. They go to a domain name service provider. They start blocking a famous domain which they may potentially register. They block this domain for, let me say, rupees 200, 300, and they own this domain for 4 years, 5 years, like that. When somebody is trying to register the domain, like let me say this Chennai to Tirupati tour package.com, and the domain name owner will say like this domain is for sale, and when this person goes and asks this domain for sale, that person will claim like, give me 1.5 lakhs, give me 2 lakh rupees, so I can release this domain for you. Okay, so like this activity started happening. Now what happened here? Lots of people started doing this as a practice. They started blocking the domain name just because this domain name will get a high ranking. So later, what Google decided? Oh, any website that has got users query, whatever they search on the online. So a domain name is not required to have the search query inside. So Google came out with a decision that there is no need to have the search query in the domain name. So there is no need to have the name. You don't need to have it. So based on this update, what happened? All those websites who are ranking at the top, which had the keyword inside the domain name, lost their ranking in the process. Okay. Now, if I want to register a new domain, let me say I own a travel. Let me say I own a Balaji Travels. Okay. What will I say? I will register my website basically as balajicaps.com. That's it. Because Balaji is my brand name or Balaji Caps is my brand name. And there are websites like google.com where there is no meaning for the word itself. Google has no meaning, Geo has no meaning, okay, Ola has no meaning, olacaps.com has no meaning, right? So there are lots of websites which were created without any meaning. There is no meaning at all. Oyo, if you take Oyo, there is no literal meaning with respect to English. Might be there will be meaning in a different language, but not in English. So what happens? So you can register any domain name. Your domain name and the words inside your domain name is not at all a ranking factor. So you can register your domain like anything. So this update is basically called exact match domain update. Okay. This update exactly says it is not required to create or register a domain name that exactly matches a keyword that has high search demand. Google started exploring the content inside the website and relating to the user's query to deliver the highly relevant and most useful information to the user, and stopped referring to the keywords available in the domain name. This led to the practice of registering a domain name and selling it later to become halted. So that's it, become halted. Halted. So not only this, so people generally buy a domain name exclusively for ranking at the top. Okay, exclusive for ranking at the top. So like this, every situation when somebody started copying and pasting the content, Google started sharing the font update. When somebody started building unnatural low quality backlinks to cheat or to tackle the Google's Penguin algorithm, I mean the Google's page rank algorithm, then Google started launching the Penguin update. Okay, when people started doing invalid business listing with respect to local business listing, then Google initiated the Penguin algorithm. Okay, so like this, to rank the quality websites at the top, they started introducing the rank brain algorithm. To increase the speed, results, and the performance of the whole website, they implemented the hummingbird algorithm. Okay, and to make sure that the mobile users are getting a better experience, they implemented the mobile friendly update. And to make sure that they arrest the bad or mal usage of domain name registration and the keyword mapping, Google launched this algorithm update called EMD, that's basically called exact match domain update, and to help the people who are in mobile users to increase the speed of the content displayed in the to increase the user experience. End of the day, Google started launching a condition called AMP, which is basically called accelerated mobile pages. So this is with respect to Google's algorithm updates. End of the day, Google is taking efforts to make sure that it offers the best in class user experience to the user. Anything for the user is the best SEO. Write content for the users, create a design for your users, make sure that your website is exclusively for your visitors, make it faster, make it friendly, looking colorful, well, people will like it. Okay, so anything for your website. Okay, anything your website should be developed for your clients or customers, that's the end goal.